Next is two sample t-test in RStudio. Two independent sample t-test in RStudio. The first step is importing the file and next is attaching the file. So once you open RStudio, first you have to import dataset. Go to file, import dataset from Excel. Wherever you have kept the data file, that needs to be imported. Now once the file is imported, Excel automatically views it. RStudio automatically views it. So these commands automatically come to console. Next is you need to type attach the file name. All files that you need to work on are to be first attached. So the second step is attach bracket name of the file. To run the t-test, t.test. Now you need to tell R which variables you are using. File name, dollar variable name, then file name, comma, dollar variable name. So the command will be t.test bracket open, file name, dollar, first variable name in single quotes, comma, file name, dollar, second variable name in single quotes, bracket close, enter. Once you do this, these results will come. Please remember, RStudio by default will do two-tailed unequal variance t-test by this command, assuming confidence level 95% or level of significance 5%. I'll show you the results in Excel. This is the data we are using. This is the Excel results. Using the t.test command, this is the RStudio results. Same results, t statistic is 0.94, p value is 0.35. So it is a two-tailed test. You are advised to use the same data sheets and the same problem statement hypothesis which we have already done in Excel, and we are using the same format, just we are running these same examples in RStudio. If you need to do a one-tailed test, then in the same formula, comma, alternative is equal to greater. So the alternative hypothesis becomes greater than hypothesis. If you want to do a equal variance test, then in the formula you need to add var dot equal 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 to t. If you want to change confidence level, then in the formula, comma, confidence dot level 0.99. So besides default settings, you can change the settings by adding your specifications to the formula. Whatever I am showing you in blue is the command and in green is the results. So what you have to do is you have to do all these 4 tests with all these separate commands which I have shown you. First is the simple one, simple t-test between full-time and part-time. That gives you the answer for two-tailed. Then for one-tailed, add alternative equal to greater. Then for equal variance, add variance dot equal to t If you want to change confidence level, add confidence dot level conf dot level equal to 0.99. So using this you will end up with 4 results, and you need to place all these results in your file using the same format which is already there when we did all these tests in Excel. Thank you.